just spent some time installing the soda can organizer in our mini fridge, all the various beverages, and it just works so well. All of these items individually slide on a track, and this pulls back. The instructions are pretty thin, but overall this thing is pretty great, and I would recommend it.
All right, here's that thing. So you can pull it out. Sometimes it gets stuck in there a little bit like that, but you can fit quite a few in there. I think I got about 5 deep. You can push it a little bit to 6 if you want, like that. And you can kind of see that they do teeter a little bit back in there, but other than that, I mean, it works pretty good. So, but I got a bunch of drinks in just a small little area right there, so.
This is how we have ours set up. I will say that tall skinny cans like this have a little bit of trouble, and these kind of barrel shaped ones also give us a little bit of trouble. Large cans go in perfectly. Small cans, as you can see as it gets towards the back, there's just not as much pressure against these, and it can kind of make things a little wonky that way, so you kind of have to hold them into place as you load them in. But other than that, I love how it has helped to organize my refrigerator.